In today's video, I'm going to show you how to curve text in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful technique for logos, posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, and any design where you want your text to follow a more creative shape instead of sitting completely straight. And the best part is, once you learn this, you can use it again and again in almost any Photoshop project. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photoshop and make sure you already have a text layer on your canvas. In the Layers panel, click on the text layer that you want to curve. This is important because Photoshop needs to know exactly which text you want to edit before you apply any effects. If you have multiple layers, take a second to make sure you've selected the correct one. Next, press the T key on your keyboard to activate the horizontal type tool. You can also choose it manually from the toolbar if you prefer, but pressing T is the fastest way. Once the type tool is active, look up at the top options bar. This is where Photoshop keeps a lot of the text editing controls, including the option we need for this effect. Now find the warp text icon. It looks like a letter sitting on top of a curved line. Click that icon to open the warp text settings window. This is the feature that lets you bend, arch, and curve your text in different directions without having to manually distort each letter. It's one of the easiest ways to create a professional-looking text effect in Photoshop. Inside the Warp Text window, you'll see a Style drop-down menu. Open that menu and choose either Arc or Arch, depending on the look you want. Arc is one of the most common options for creating a smooth curved text effect, while Arch can give you a slightly different style depending on your design. If you're not sure which one to use, start with Arc and see how it looks on your canvas. After selecting your style, use the bend slider to control how strong the curve will be. Drag the slider to the right if you want an upward curve. Drag it to the left if you want the text to curve downward. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so move the slider slowly until the text looks balanced and matches your design. If the curve feels too dramatic, just reduce the bend until it looks cleaner and easier to read. You may also notice other options in the Warp Text window, like horizontal distortion or vertical distortion, but for this basic effect, the bend slider is usually all you need. Keep your changes simple if you want the text to stay readable, especially for titles and branding work. Once you're happy with the shape of the text, click OK to apply the effect. Photoshop will instantly curve the text on your canvas, and now you've got a much more dynamic and stylized look. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the effect later by selecting the text layer again and reopening the Warp Text settings. And that's how you curve text in Photoshop. It's quick, easy, and extremely useful once you know where to find the right tool. Whether you're making a logo, a flyer, a banner, or a YouTube thumbnail, this simple effect can help your typography stand out a lot more. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.